I traveled from Texas to old Louisiana, through mountains and valleys and plains. Footsore and weary, I rested a while on the banks of the old Pontchartrain. The fairest young maiden that ever I saw passed by as it started to rain. We both found a shelter beneath the same tree on the banks of the old Pontchartrain. I ventured a smile, but she thought I was bold. I hastened to try and explain. Somehow I knew I would linger a while on the banks of the old Pontchartrain. From the shower an hour or so, she asked me how long I'd remain. I told her I'd spend the rest of my days on the banks of the old Pontchartrain. As time drifted by, we fell deeper in love, a love that would just bring her pain. I knew that one day I would leave her alone on the banks of the old Pontchartrain. I just couldn't tell her that I ran away from a jail on the West Texas plain. I prayed in my heart I would never be found on the banks of the old Pontchartrain. On my arm, said I must go west the same day. I said a groom without saying goodbye on the banks of the old Pontchartrain. Tonight as I sit here alone in my cell, I know that she's waiting in vain. I'm hoping and praying someday to return to the banks of the old Pontchartrain.